In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prompt ElevenLabs for text-to-speech effectively. Text-to-speech technology has transformed how we interact with digital content, providing accessibility and creative opportunities across various fields. Whether you're working on a creative project, developing a user-friendly application, or just exploring the capabilities of AI-driven speech, mastering the art of text-to-speech prompting is invaluable. So let's dive into it and ensure you can get the most out of ElevenLabs. To start, make sure your web browser is open. It's crucial to ensure a stable internet connection for a seamless experience, as this will allow the ElevenLabs platform to function optimally. Once your browser is set up, navigate to the ElevenLabs website and sign in using your email and password. Alternatively, you can take advantage of single sign-on if that's your preferred method. This step is all about ensuring secure and straightforward access to the platform's features. After you've logged in, direct yourself to the text-to-speech section. It's here that the magic happens, where your written words will be transformed into spoken dialogue. Now, it is important to select the 11v3 model. This model is designed to provide a superior level of speech synthesis, resulting in clear, natural, and emotionally resonant audio outputs. On the right-hand sidebar, you should see an option labeled Voice. Clicking on the name that appears below this option will allow you to search for a voice that you find most suitable for your needs. The choice of voice can greatly influence the emotional tone and authenticity of your project, so take your time exploring the options available. Perhaps there's a specific accent or vocal personality that aligns perfectly with your intentions. Once you've selected your voice, you'll want to ensure that your text is crafted to guide the AI accurately. Incorporate punctuation effectively to reflect the intended rhythm and pauses in speech. Additionally, include descriptive cues and dialogue tags within square brackets, such as laughs or whispers, to infuse the speech with personality and emotion. For intense expressions, typing in all caps can convey heightened emotions clearly. Now, with everything set up, click Generate Speech to bring your text to life. The platform will process your input and generate audio files that you can review. Listen closely to these outputs to determine if they meet your expectations and capture the intended essence of your content. When you're satisfied with the final result, simply choose the option to download or share the audio files. Whether you're saving these files for personal use, professional applications, or sharing them with others, this step ensures you have easy access to your newly created speech content. And there you have it. With these steps, you can effectively prompt ElevenLabs to transform your text into engaging and dynamic speech, tailored to your specific requirements. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.